Oh my word, that front just looks so good like that. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be doing some suspension changes on the wagon. Really excited about this. I'm meeting up with Robin at GarageHeart. He's apparently a whiz with suspension things, so yeah, the wagon drives really crap since I lowered it on the 18s, and we are going to see if we can try and get it driving a bit better. So yeah, I'm nearly there. Yeah, let's see what it does. Traffic cops have been savage this morning, so I ran past here earlier, and yeah, they were pulling over the taxis like crazy. Even saw one taxi drive through a red robot. Look here, they're like impounding these things. They are not playing any games. So this is where they are. It's brake super service. Okay guys, we're just taking the car for a drive. Robin just wants to check it out, feel the suspension before we make any changes, so you can feel what I'm dealing with on a daily basis. Okay, so we just came back from the test drive. We got some spring boosters for it, so we're just going to add some, I think it's tension, or just stiffen it up in the rear bit and try and even it out. So the car has always been uneven in the back, like the one side is lower than the other, and it's so much of a mission that I haven't actually adjusted it myself. So we'll see if we can do that. Oh my word, that front just looks so good like that. Yeah, so really hoping that we can dial this thing in nicely today. Robin's KE, is it 70 or 70? I'm not too sure what the deal is, but really good to see this car again. So things are getting quite serious. Wheels are off. I've now locked the front and adjusted the fronts correctly. So the fronts were still slightly off, so I've actually locked them in place. So the front discs have come off. There was a shudder on it. I don't know if it's just because I didn't drive the car enough, or they just wore down weirdly, but yeah, there was a shudder on it. Robin's like, yeah, let's just do that while we're at it. So they're going to sort that out now. So we are going to remove the locking ring. Just gives a bit more leeway for like adjusting and going lower. So the rear is going to be a touch lower than the front. That removes tramping, apparently. The skimming process is so cool. I don't know if it's just the color, but it looks like the disc is slightly warped. Front discs are done, and they are doing the rear now, which I wasn't expecting, so that's a bonus. And we lock the ring. Usually I don't. Usually I just have them like dangling, but apparently that's not good to do. So guys, lock your coilover so that it doesn't actually move around. Progress is being made. We're nearly there. I think it's just one more disc needs to go on the rear wheels, and then we get to see how it's sitting. I feel like the rear is going to be quite low. The moment of truth. Well, getting the jacking points out is a mission because the car's too low. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we just put it down. It's looking really good. Take it for a drive and see if it settles a bit more or what. But yeah, that's a good height. Just going for a quick spin, let's see.
before you go you know, that boaty feel.
Yeah, it definitely feels
totally eradicated now. Just
feels firmer in the rear for sure. Yeah, that feels good.
So you see that? It's planted. So good. Now we need to sort out the front then. Almost feel like a stiffer spring right in front.
I think so.
So if that spring at the workshop was a bit longer, we could have fitted that. It's only this side though.
Yeah.
What if we just raise it up slightly because of the driver weight?
What's weird is that the bump stops are the same height on both sides, but it's only the right side that does that. So Robin's just going to lift the one side slightly off on the one on this rear. But flip, the car drives so much better. It's just one issue is that I'm bottoming out on the right driver's side right. I mean, a CRX is just a legend. So Robin just said that just a stock 1600 in here, and it drives really well, but a 20 valve swap hopefully in the future. I think it would just be so perfect. That sound, throttle bodies, like it would just finish it off so well. So guys, I am falling in love with this thing. Like, just the details. Like an old radio. Like, yeah, this is epic. And the mats. Yeah, this is very, very cool. So that's where we're at with it. It looks the same. It's a touch lower in the rear. Driving much better, having the rear a bit stiffer. Just a few more things to do. But Robin's going to sort that out, which is, yeah, I'm super happy. So I'll just pull the car out, get it in the light, show you guys what it's looking like. So I need to get those centering plates for the rear, so I can just pull the rear wheel back. So it's looking a bit weird, but yeah, looking and driving better. Did the work at Brake Super Service in Woodstock. It's close to me, which is very convenient, and they do good work, so would highly recommend. Oh, this car just feels like a car again. There's no longer a shudder on the brakes. You know, sometimes we have issues with our cars, but we just don't put in the effort just to like fix it. It's like, I can live with this for a while longer, and then the while longer just keeps going. No, that was the brake shudder. Like, it just needed a skim. The pads and everything is all sorted, but just that skim feels so good. I'm fetching the Mark II, and then I'm going around to the workshop. We might do some work on it. We'll see. Trying to find another solution for the catch can situation. So instead of having a catch can, just run the PCV back into the intake. I don't know if Kilani will be happy with that. I mean, new cars run that sort of setup. They don't run catch cans, so it should be okay. but yeah, you don't know. I was in third, all the lag. Sounds so nice with the DSG shifts. It's still weird seeing a 9 in Polo that's DSG. So I've been at the workshop for a bit and I get to see Azhar's car on the dyno for the first time. I've actually never heard this car on the dyno. I've heard it flying past me, but like I really like the sound of this car. That is so loud. That's what it just made, and that's what it made previously. That's on pump and automate. I think that right now timing is still quite conservative, but flip, this thing is loud. Just checking if the meth is working, and it is. Car's doing some weird things, lots of timing pull. So let's see what it will do now. The same. We are making progress. So Azhar had to leave, so this is kind of where the car's at the moment. It's a work in progress. It should be making 290s and currently at 281. So I mean, that's still enough power for now. It's a brave color, the black, but very, very cool. So guys, this is my first time in an S2000. Is this the first time driving one?
This is my second time driving an S2000.
Oh, we've got ourselves a baller over here.
Yeah, but I'm kind of not built for an S2000, so it's kind of uncomfortable, but you know, we do what we must.
The exhaust is really loud. I'm sure you're gonna hear that clearly, especially when it screams.
quite exciting. Not gonna lie.
It's not fast, but it sounds really good.
It does, and
I think it's a good amount of power.
it is. And the weirdest thing for me is I'm not used to having driving a car that revs so high, so it kind of feels wrong, but it's so right. You think he beat it?
Just before he technically shifted.
Understand why people buy these cars because they are so fun. They're so fun.
Yeah, this is awesome.
The traffic officers was not doing anything suspicious.
Oh, that exhaust is loud.
Booms,
I'm actually very impressed.
It's flippin' awesome.
Like, people say that these things are slow, but they really not.
No, they're not. I mean, even if it feels a bit slow because you're used to a faster car.
No. Like, as a passenger, this thing feels fast.
Oh, seriously. And I think it's just the sort of way the car sounds, the way it feels, it just adds to the exhilaration of it.
Yeah, it's that excitement.
I mean, it still makes 177 kilowatts, which is not a little. But obviously people are very used to turbo power these days, having the sort of early torque, the nice quick feel of it.
Yeah, the only thing I feel like it's lacking is more intake noise.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Like,
It's too much exhaust.
It's very quiet, but I think maybe that's just the exhaust that's
Designed that way.
so loud that it's actually drowning it out.
Oh man, that was excellent.
Yeah, that is very cool. Do a pull.
Sounds good.
I thought I'd just add the Mark II to this video just to balance things out with having Honda content in it. So that's the Mark II. So this is what Andrew's rolling in. It's a very neat Conquest. It's his dad's car. The car's like mint. Very nice. Guys, that's it for this video. There's a lot happening, but a good day. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.